already discussed basic MS Word shortcuts, so everyone comfortable with that. Then we focused on how to change the word setting to get the equation editor, how to get the lambda, gamma, alpha, such symbols in my word script. And also I told you an alternative approach. If you don't want to use the symbols, then you can simply write the words itself. Clear? Then we covered some questions from probability distribution, movement generating functions. We also did a question from joint distribution, I guess, right? Now, joint distribution and conditional expectation involves the heavy use of your integrations basically. So, we would be focusing on a question from conditional expectation, and I am assuming that a similar format is required for my joint distributions typing. Again, since we are not focusing on technicalities, we are only focusing on covering maximum types of notations, maximum type of typing, right? So, that is why chapter 4 and 5 are kind of similar in their notations. So, that is why I am approaching a question of chapter 5, which may automatically cover my basic typings from chapter 4 as well. Okay? So, everyone open up their laptop and give me a yes in the chat room. Once you have your keyboard, your mouse and your obviously laptop with you. Come on, quickly give me a yes. Once I get the green signal from you guys, then only I will start. Okay. Okay. Saksham and Pav, are you ready guys? Shall we start? Clear. So, let us start with one question. We will be covering question 5.3 today, okay. So, again I am saying, since this is not a technicalities class, for now you can just open up the answer and try typing with me, okay, because my focus would be to increase your typing speed, okay. But as we move forward to further chapters, I would be expecting that you are thinking the answer and writing the answer at the same time. Clear? So, let us read the question. Suppose that x and y are continuous random variables and I have to prove from first principles that this is equal to this. Clear? So, let us do this. So, firstly, first key that you should always be comfortable with is control plus S. Control plus S is something which you should not miss. Okay. So, I am starting with my question 5.3 and this is my first question. Proof I am doing. So, first thing, expectation of Gx is, I will write if x is my random variable, expectation of my Gx will be, what will be my expectation of Gx? It will be integration Gx into fx dx, right? So, I can either use equation editor for inserting Gx integration, or I can use the normal approach as well. So, let us use the normal approach today. So, int, I get, after writing int, I usually get my integration sign, but I can't place upper and lower limits in this. So, that is why whenever we are needing to place the limits, then we will use the equation editor's integration or writing in words. Okay. For example, I have here the lower limit integration x. Okay. So, control Z, we have Gx star fx and then we have dx. Okay. Shift 0, control plus C in the exam. Control plus C with respect, yes, if you are copying and pasting from your own word file, then of course you should use control C for copying things. Okay. And if you are giving from IF4, you are allowed to use R programming and Excel in the exam. So, yes, if you are using Excel and R programming and you want to copy something, so yes, you can use control C and control V. Okay, but not from any other external file beta. Clear? okay if I write the same thing using the equation editor, alt equal to is equal to int backslash int, then to put in the lower limit I use shift minus to get this underscore. So I have x, since I do not have any upper limit, that's why I would not use this sign. I basically simply press space bar. Now I have gxfx, so you can simply write gxfx dx. Now since you can see this blue bar, so it means we are basically within the integral, and if I would put the enter, so I would be shifting in within the integral, but I don't want that, that's why I'll use my forward arrow key to move out of the integral. Done till now? Everyone give me a thumbs up if done till now. Gitansh, is your doubt cleared beta? In what situation can we use control C? Okay. How to put x after the integral sign? Okay, let's backslash int shift minus will basically bring out this underscore now. So this underscore specially means that I am placing the lower limit. Okay, for example अगर मैं normal approach भी use करती हूँ ना, and I am not using this minus, I am not able to place something it is exact position, that is subscript. So if I am writing, for example if I am writing a subscript b, so this basically means that it is b is within the subscript of a. Okay, so how do I do is backslash int shift minus, I get this underscore sign and I put x and I press a space bar. Clear, Mahi? So moving forward, we have expectation of y given. How do we use the given sign? How do we use the given sign? Shift, there is a key above your enter, right? There is a key above your enter which have vertical slash and which has slanting slash as well. So to get this vertical slash, I will use shift that key, right? Everyone able to get this vertical slash or not? Everyone found this vertical slash in their keyboard? Anyone struggling? Okay, I hope everyone has got that, otherwise I will be getting it out. So int bracket, similarly if I am not using the normal approach, x colon, use open brackets, control z to remove this sign, write expectation of y given x. Again the same sign, clear? If I would be writing it from the equation editor, it would be backslash int underscore x space bar expectation of y given x dx. Now I want to escape this, so I will use the forward arrow key. Control S, keep pressing control S every time. You should have the habit of keeping pressing control S, okay? Very important shortcut. Now we will use the double integral. Basically we will also calculate this Eyx, right? So I can write alt equal to backslash int space x, right? Again I will use brackets, so backslash int. I am working within the integral. One integral is within the integral, right? So backslash int, this time I have y in the denominator. Clear? So y small f, y given x, then I have dy, then I have brackets closed. Look, now if I close this bracket, basically can you see this bracket? This bracket is basically out of my this integral, right? So that's why I need to place this closing bracket also out of my integral. That's why I need to use my forward arrow key. Can you see my blue bar now comes from this integral only? सारा जो खेल है ना वो इस blue bar का है. Everything and anything revolves around this blue bar if I am doing in integration. Okay, students usually struggles in that only. This, then I press Fx, then I have dx, then I come out of this bracket. Clear? Then I simply put in my this. If I have to write it in the normal equation, so what I will do is int x control z. This means I am writing anything within my int, that is my first integral. I have another integral, so simply int y, another integral opens. What is within the integral? Y f y given x dx. Now this is the bracket for my first integral. Now I want to write what extra is from, so this bracket is for this thing basically. So I would also add my fx here and my dx here. Okay. Everyone complete till now and give me a thumbs up. Complete till now and give me a thumbs up. Quickly guys, quickly. If you are struggling in something, tell me, I'll solve that. ओके, पर्क हो गया, सक्षम, महक, माही, जलज, गीतांश, लक्ष्य. Quickly tell me guys, are you done? Once I get green signal from every one of you, then only I'll move forward, because these classes are basically for you only. ब्रैकेट बड़ा नहीं हो रहा है. देखो ब्रैकेट बड़ा क्यों नहीं हो रहा होगा, मैंने रीजन बताया. आपका जब ब्लू बार होगा ना, आप ब्रैकेट यहाँ लगा रहे होंगे. इफ यू आर पुटिंग योर ब्रैकेट्स हियर, तो वो बड़ा होगा ही नहीं. ठीक है, तो आपको फॉरवर्ड एरो यूज करके, जब तक ये तुम्हारा जो ये चीज है दिस थिंग, तब तक नहीं होगा. बिग ब्रैकेट अगेन करो. ओके, दोबारा बताती हूँ. देखो बैकस्लैश int, देन आई यूज माय सबस्क्रिप्ट, then I have placed bracket for which integral. मैंने किस इंटीग्रल के लिए ब्रैकेट लगाया? I placed bracket for this first integral, right? So that's why backslash int I am putting y. Now y star fy given x dy. Now if I am putting this bracket here, it means I should have bracket here as well. It is then called a complete bracket. Okay, bracket तब बड़ा होता है जब मैं complete bracket करती हूँ. Okay, सही जगह पे स्टार्ट करती हूँ, सही जगह पे एंड करती हूँ. सो बट माई ब्रैकेट वॉज आउट ऑफ दिस इंटीग्रल, दैट्स व्हाई आई नीड टू मूव आउट ऑफ दिस इंटीग्रल. सो मैं फॉरवर्ड एरो की यूज करूंगी. नाउ कैन यू सी, अब ये ब्रैकेट कवर हो रहा है ना इस इंटीग्रल में. सो इफ आई नाउ यूज दिस, इट विल एनलार्ज. क्लियर? सो जिसका नहीं हो रहा था अब हो रहा है, तो टेल मी. Now everything in yes, Dhruv, I guess it's Dhruv, yes. Dhruv, these are available on your YouTube, okay? So you can go through the YouTube videos. Currently I am telling everything from scratch, so you can start typing with me from this day itself. Don't waste this class, okay? But the YouTube playlist, you can ask the team to share you the playlist, and they will you can watch the videos there. Okay, so don't worry, this is 4th class only. You have not missed that much typing class, so don't worry about that. Now please repeat which key for bracket. Beta, there is no particular key for the bracket. The thing is that you need to come out of this blue bar. You can see the blue bar is not covering my first bracket. That's why I need to come out of the blue bar. Clear? Then only I will put the brackets. And again space bar you will need to put. Space bar is the key to move forward in your equation editor. Clear guys? Now I just need to copy paste everything, because I just need to define another random variable for this. Everything else remains same. So what I just do is copy paste. So someone was asking me now, can I use Control C, Control V? So yes, I am using the Control C, Control V for you. So paste everything. I just need to change this. This will become basically my x comma y, sorry, and this I need to you know, this I need to divide by what? Fx. Look, hypotenuse space bar, तो मेरा fx नीचे आ गया. Everything else is constant, so I don't need to change anything. If I would be writing this from scratch, it would be taking more time. Typing is something we have to save our time, right? Why do we have equation bit editor? To save our time basically. So everyone getting this? How did I copy paste the things? Come on, quickly do till now and tell me. Then only I will move forward. Dhruv, is it now clear? You can just message the team. They will share with you the playlist. But don't miss this class, beta. I am telling everything from the scratch. So make sure you are going with me because only 3 classes have been done till now and this is the 4th class itself. Okay? Guys, done till now? Quickly give me a yes in the chat room. Okay, Akashi, don't worry. I hope you are able to understand. Okay? सब कुछ स्क्रैच बता रही हूँ. There are no symbols in this part. So symbols वाला चीज था थोड़ा सा where you would require something. So that you can cover from the first class only. So you could ask the team to share the videos, share the playlist with you. Okay? So yes, let's move forward. Now we have double integral. So we have backslash int. Sorry, not backslash. If you are using equationator, let's not use equationator this time. Let's use normal approach. Int brackets close x. I am also saying those students who are using equationator, please know some basics of the normal typing. In case Bhagwan na kare, but in case something happens to the equationator sometimes glitches. If it glitches during the exam, you must not panic because you are comfortable with the normal typing as well. That's why in my class I am teaching you both the approaches. So be comfortable with both the approaches. Okay? चाहे equationator ज़्यादा use कर लो, that's completely up to you. But have a basic knowledge of the normal approach as well. Clear? Then brackets open, int, brackets open, y, control z. Let me tell you from my own experience, I was comfortable with this control shift plus during the exam throughout my preparation time. But at the exam time, my shortcut automatically changed from control shift plus to control plus only. Okay? So please be ready for these things as well because this is technology at the end of the day. Y star f x comma y dy, then I close this brackets, then I have dx, then I close this bracket. Clear guys? Okay? Now I'll change the order of the integration, so I'll write changing the order of the integral. So what I get is I just need to change the values in there. So control C, control V, I need to replace it with y. This would be x, the x would come out here, this would get replaced and we have x comma y in there. Sorry, it was a complete different integral, so let's write it. Int underscore y, okay, then I have y written there, then I have brackets, then int y, x open, f x comma y, brackets closed, then we have dx in there. Then now tell me, do I need to come out of the integral to put my brackets or should I put it within the integral? Come on guys. Yes, if I need to come out of the integral, and no if I don't need to come out of the integral to put in the brackets. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, exactly, Saksham. I need to come out of this, otherwise my bracket won't enlarge. Then I need to again come out of this bracket to simply do it. Clear? So now this is equal to my, again I just need to copy paste it, and this basically will become Fy, and this is dy, and this is equal to expectation of y, and I will write simply control B, hence true. Clear, guys? So this was the heavy, two integration at the same time, so you might get confused, that's why we did a question over that. So any confusion? Anyone? Those who were attending for the first time, Akashi and Dhruv, if you are there in the class, any confusion, guys? For your sake, let me tell you, Akashi and Dhruv, we have two different approaches in the typing. We can either use the normal approach, we can either use the equation editor. Okay, that's completely up to you. You try both the approaches. We are doing both the approaches in our classes. Okay, and then you can feel comfortable with one of the approach or the combination of the both approach. Okay, then it's completely up to you. आपको जो सूट करता है आप वो करो. There is no restriction from both the institute. ना IFOA की तरफ से restrictions है, ना II की तरफ से restrictions है. Clear? So you can use both the approaches. Rest of the students, if that's okay, can we wrap up the class for today? किसी को कोई doubt है तो put that in the chat box. Typing से लेकर कोई भी general doubt है, किसी ने कोई question try किया हो, they get the doubt. Yeah, any doubt, anyone, ask me. You could ask general doubt regarding typing as well, no issues. Okay. Mehak, Mahi, Jalaj, Gitansh, any doubt? Saksham? How to increase the size of integral? Look, the size of integral can't be increased basically. For example, what equation editor do is, for example, we have here, right? So if we are using normal text, then my equation editor's integral will remain small only to match the size of my text. Okay? But for example, I am writing here, there is no normal text involved, so that's why in this case my integral will basically come in the normal size that equation editor supports. Or if you want to increase the size, of course you have formatting here, from here 12, 13, 14, okay, you can basically increase, but this size is normal. Okay, you don't need to basically increase the size. Clear, guys? /int Dhruv. Once you go through the first class ना, अब क्या करना? What your task is, Akashi as well and Dhruv as well. टीम से जल्दी से लिंक मांगो प्लेलिस्ट की, and then start watching your first video, because first video में मैंने आपको बताया है how do you get an integration symbol, how basic MS Word shortcut बताया है, ठीक है? सारे मैथमेटिकल सिंबल्स कैसे सेट करने हैं आपको अपने वर्ड में, आई हैव आल्सो टॉट दैट. क्लियर गाइज? सो योर फर्स्ट टास्क फॉर टुडे शुड बी still facing problem in putting the big brackets. Look beta, try typing with me, whatever I am saying do with me. Alt equal to /int shift minus x space bar. Whatever I am saying, just type in the same way. Okay, put in the bracket /int space bar. Okay, write whatever. For example, I am writing FDS for now. Okay, now I am, can you see this blue bar is still this? Okay, I want this blue bar to be covering my bracket as well, so I need to come out. So for coming out I need to use the forward arrow key. Can you see we have 4 keys, so the right one, okay, right one arrow key. Now I put in the bracket and a space bar. I hope now you are able to get my hint. Once you are able to get, tell me. Okay guys, so let's wrap up the class for today. Till then please keep practicing, okay? Have a nice day. Thank you.